Hello, my name is Emanuela Eze. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. So, Uncle Mark decided to suspend my account a few days ago. And as usual, I told my parents, my family members, I told everyone, please, people should pray for me. Oh, it has happened again. Oh. And guess what? My dad was going to work yesterday morning and then he called me, Chigozie, because that's my native name. And he said, has Facebook released your account? I said, no, sir. And then he told me, don't worry, they are going to release it today. Once I return from work, get ready to give me the good news. I was like, okay, sir. I was like, amen, no, amen. And then he went to work. Guess what, guys? Yesterday afternoon, Facebook released my account. And my dad came back from work in the evening. I was so happy and I told him that my account is now back, that I'm now back online. He was so excited and then he told me, did you remember what I told you this morning? I said yes. He said that is the power of the tongue. And I'm just here to remind you all, just in case you've forgotten, your tongue is powerful. Be careful of the kind of things you say. Be careful of what you wish for. Okay, so instead of you going about saying things that doesn't make sense, make sure you are using your tongue for the right thing. Okay, you have to declare positive words, affirm positive things. Make sure that you don't wish for something bad, because the tongue is a powerful tool. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.